Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix only admins can send messages problem on WhatsApp group. First thing first, make sure that your application is updated because at times when you are not using the latest version of WhatsApp, it will show you various errors. So for that, head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in WhatsApp Messenger and make sure this shows open instead of update. Open a group where you are a admin of and tap onto the group's name. Here, scroll a bit below, tap Group Permissions. You will see Send Messages. If this is not toggled on, toggle it on. And if it's toggled on, toggle it back off and toggle it on again. It will refresh your page. Now, once it is so, see if this fixes your problem. Now, in case you don't happen to be the admin of this group, you have to contact the admin. And if you tap onto the group's profile picture and scroll below, you will see who is the admin of this group. In my case, I myself is the group admin. But if it's not the same on your case, you have to contact the group admin, text him or her, and ask them to allow permission to send messages. Just like so, guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.